Hi everyone, welcome back to KTB Creates. Today I'm excited because I'm bringing you a super easy and fun DIY creating a fall wreath with all Dollar Tree items. I was first inspired to do this by Kristen Kay. She is actually co-hosting a fun little event. It's a fall wreath playlist, which I will leave a link in the description box below, but also check out their channels. It's Kristen Kay. She is phenomenal. You're gonna love her. She has a wonderful personality and does a lot of great DIYs as well. And then Natalie from Design to the Nines is fantastic and super talented. So I will also leave links to their channels in the description box below. You definitely have to check them out. And without further ado, let's get into our fall wreath. Okay, so for this wreath, I'm using all Dollar Tree items, but one that can actually be replaced by a Dollar Tree item. So technically, they really are all Dollar Tree items. So first you're gonna need one of the wreath forms, the wire wreath forms, and then I'm using 3 rolls of this burlap ribbon. It's the kind that doesn't have the wire edging. That has been out recently with all the seasonal stuff. So you need 3 rolls of that. And I'm simply just wrapping it around the wire wreath form and then using my hot glue gun to attach the ends. And you want to overlap it enough so you're not really seeing the wire underneath. Okay, so once that's all done, you're gonna use I'm using some chicken wire that I bought on Walmart.com. Now, like I said, this is the one item that's not from the Dollar Tree. However, if you find one of those Dollar Tree waste baskets with the mesh waste baskets, you can actually cut that up and use that here as well. It's also totally optional. You don't really even need this piece. I just wanted to add something fun to the back of it. So I attached that with my hot glue. Now I'm just gonna take some of the new fall mini mums and the mini pomegranates. I just love them. And I'm gonna use them to decorate the wreath. And then I have these little daisies. I think you would call them daisy mums or something. And I'm gonna use those as well. So to start out, I like to just line everything up just to see placement and all of that. I'm also using, obviously, the red truck sign, the Happy Harvest sign that you can get at the Dollar Tree right now. It's the cutest little sign. It comes in blue as well, but I want it to stick with the fall colors, so I'm going to use the red one. So once I get everything placed the way that I like it, now I'm going to go back in and hot glue everything in. And it's actually kind of easy with the burlap because you can actually stick the picks through the holes in the burlap. So that helps to hold it as well too. And then I just hot glue the stems under the leaves so you can't see anything. Then I got this mesh tubing. It's actually Decor mesh tubing in the burgundy and the brown. They're also in the autumn decor at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just taking, measuring a certain length of 2 of each color. And then I'm simply gonna tie them in a knot in the center. I hope that makes sense. You could see what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make 4 of these. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach them to the wreath, underneath the leaves so you can't see any of the hot glue. It just adds a cute little whimsy to the wreath that I just love. It's just the cute little extra touch. You can obviously not use these if you don't prefer that. You could just stick with the flowers because I think it looks pretty as is. And then here is the finished ultimate fall wreath. I hope you guys love it. I think it looks so cute and darling. I love the way it came. I love fall colors. I'm not really ready for summer to end, but I guess we can't fight that, and I'm excited for the fall, and I think this wreath came out really cute. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I always love to read your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and click that like button because that helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I promise you won't be disappointed. And until next time, you have a great week.